we will again share it with the platform as well, in the group as well. So our today's topic, we thought of coming up and discussing something which is related to diet. As Sudha is an expert in that particular field, then she would be the best person. She would basically be the best person to tell us about what is diet, what exactly is balanced diet, and how much diet, what all things should contain different nutritions, the healthy things, the things which keep you healthy, and all those things, right? So it's a privilege to have you here, Sudha. Okay, so it's a privilege. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me here, sir.
Great, great, great. So, Sudha, tell us, okay, we will directly jump in. We'll directly jump in the topic, which is related to diet. And people who are watching us, uh, listen to this particular session. If you are tuning in late, just ensure that you listen the entire session, because it's really going to be amazing. It's going to be the valuable information which will be shared here. And if you start following this particular information, you will realize the changes happening in your life. Okay, so that was the basic intent to conduct this particular session as a part of our expert speak platform. So that our motto is like bright careers and successful lives. So that is what this is one of the initiative which is aligned to that. So let's start, Sudha. Let's start. Okay, tell us, Sudha, something about diet. What exactly is like a balanced diet? We have been hearing this thing so much, specifically in this proper time, that you should have healthy diet, and that will help you in boost your immunity and all that stuff, right? So nowadays people have been hearing so much about that. So what exactly, you tell us what is the balanced diet and how it helps our body, something related to that.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me here again, and thank you so much to you, sir, for having me here, for inviting me. Let's go ahead with the topic. I think this diet is becoming trending right from lockdown. I have seen people becoming so health conscious. They are going to gym. They are starting. They are actually following the diets. I have seen so many people coming up with new ideas of getting healthy, of
Your
getting.
voice is dropping, Sudha. Sorry for interruption. Your voice.
Yeah, now can you hear me? This is because
Yeah,
of the chords.
that's fine. It happens. That's fine. Carry on,
Yeah.
Sudha.
Now am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, it's excellent.
So I have seen people following diets and becoming very health conscious during this lockdown period, as people got so much of time to invest, like whatever their hobbies are. So I've seen people becoming very health conscious during this lockdown period, and also I've seen people doing so many various activities depending upon their hobbies. So I've thought of coming, I've thought of talking on this particular topic on diet.
Right, right. And yeah, it's so right, Sudan. I wanted, we all connected, right? And the best thing that would be about this session is that people would directly hear it from you. So people get to know some knowledge from, if they download some data from here and there. But that is not the exact thing. If we hear something from a person who has really done some mastering nutraceuticals, or who has some knowledge, some people randomly listen, hear it from some other friends, and they start applying it. So like that is going to be the most helpful thing about this particular session as well. So tell us, Sudha, what exactly is balanced diet, what should be the consumption, and something related to that.
Yeah. I'll start with first what exactly the balanced diets are, and then following it with the types of diet. Actually, nowadays, as everything, whatever we have the issue, whatever we have the problem, people go and search it on Google. But actually, they can, if they really want to do some research, then they can, like, my one suggestion is that they can follow some research paper, whatever they want to, like, if they have any issues. Like, can you hear me?
It is fine now. It was dropping in a mid, but it's fine now. It's
Yeah.
fine.
So if they have anything, like, if any problem they are facing and they want to actually know something about the topics, then they can go and search in the PubMed, whatever. Like, there are so many research paper on following so many topics, and they can uh, search in, and then going ahead with the topic, balanced diets. So actually, every person's body and unka body's metabolism differs from person to person. Nowadays, what people do is they just there is BMI also, बेसल मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट, जिससे हम पता कर सकते हैं कि हमारा BMI, लाइक इफ वी आर ओवरवेट, अंडरवेट, और मतलब वी कैन बेसिकली गेट द आइडिया ऑफ अबाउट द वेट, हमारा ओवरवेट है या अंडरवेट है हम, या प्रॉपर वेट है। तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट लोग क्या करते हैं पता है, BMI निकाल के देन खुद से ही डाइट प्लान कर लेते हैं, whereas it is not recommended, it's very wrong, क्योंकि लोगों का, हर एक लोगों का पर्सन टू पर्सन मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट एंड एवरीथिंग डिफर्स। तो मैं ये मतलब माय वन सजेशन इज दैट कि आप लोग डोंट जस्ट गो ऑन बिलीविंग ऑन गूगल, राइट? तो आई स्टार्ट विद व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द बैलेंस डाइट इज। तो बैलेंस डाइट में पहले से ही हम बहुत स्कूल लेवल से हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं अबाउट द बैलेंस डाइट। तो बैलेंस डाइट होता क्या है कि जिसमें 60 to 70% हमारा जो भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है उसमें से, मतलब हमारे प्लेट में जितने भी, हमारे प्लेट में पहले तो फैट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, कैलोरीज, प्रोटीन सब होना चाहिए। तो राइट, उस कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में से, हमारे प्लेट में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में से 60 to 70% ऑफ टोटल कैलोरीज होना चाहिए, ओके? एंड देन प्रोटीन्स होना चाहिए 10 to 12%, एंड फैट में से कैलोरीज इंक्लूड होते हैं वो होना चाहिए 20 to 25%।
Okay.
एंड देन अभी ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि इतने परसेंट हम फूड लाएंगे कहाँ से, या फिर इतना परसेंट हमें वो फूड कौन से फूड इंग्रेडिएंट्स या किससे मिलेगा। तो बैलेंस डाइट में इंक्लूड होता है वेजिटेबल्स या लेग्यूम्स आ जाएंगे, फिर उसके बाद आ जाएगा फ्रूट्स, ग्रेन्स एंड सीरियल्स, एंड देन जो नॉनवेज प्रेफर करते हैं उनके लिए फिश, एग्स एंड लीन मीट, नट्स, सीड्स भी आ जाते हैं, और मिल्क, चीज, योगर्ट्स जो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम बनाने में, boost होने में हेल्प करता है। So these all the things we can include in our diet. Now, there are basic tips about the balanced diet that I have is the very first. There are total altogether I have is 8 type of tips कि हमारे balanced diet में होना क्या चाहिए।
सही है okay. Thanks for sharing this particular information, Sudha. Okay, so people, I am assuming that you are also making a note of it. You are, if you are watching us now, and at the same time the video would also be there. So but still, if you can make a note of it, then it would be helpful for you. So this is what it is. So there should be a proper balance, and as Sudha said, it should be like cereals, it should be proper carbohydrates, it should be proper fruits, it would be cereals, it should be everything, it should be a mixture of that. So that's very well explained it. Okay, so that should be what we would like to include in what we eat, and that is when we are going to make a maximum out of it and going to get a good results, people. Okay, so one thing, one intake here is that start following proper balanced diet, and as Sudha has just said, it should be a mix of something. Say yes, Sudha. So how about next? You were talking about some points or something. If you can also let us know something about age, or does the balance differs from age to age, what exactly it is? Okay, something about that, or then can proceed.
Yes, so going ahead with the first balance diet, ये जो एट टिप्स है, मतलब एट जो टाइप ऑफ टिप्स है जो मेरे पास है बैलेंस डाइट के लिए, these are the very basic ones, like all the age groups that they can they can follow. तो the very first is that base your meals on starchy foods. Most of the time हमारा एक मतलब हमारा ऐसे मानना होता है कि डाइट करना है मतलब फैट्स इंक्लूड नहीं करना है, डाइट करना है मतलब कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इंक्लूड नहीं करना है, हाई प्रोटीन लेना है। But the drawback becomes is that due to lack of knowledge, what happens, if you are there is a big difference between dieting and starving. I think people should know first the difference between what is dieting and what is starving. Dieting means you have to eat, like you have to give your body the required amount of protein, required amount of carbohydrates, and required amount of fats, and then this becomes your dieting. And starving means you're making your body starve. It is not right, because अगर आप starve कर रहे हो तो ultimately your body is not getting your body is not getting an energy. जिसकी वजह से यू विल बी हैविंग द साइड इफेक्ट. So there is a big difference between diets and starving. और लोग गूगल करके बहुत सारे टिप्स फॉलो करते हैं, बट द मेन डिफरेंस दे डोंट फॉलो. तो इसमें हम स्टार्ची फूड्स इसलिए बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, जितना प्रोटीन इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर आवर बॉडी, उतना ही कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है ड्यूरिंग द डाइटिंग और इन द बैलेंस डाइट. So very first heading becomes a base your meals on starchy food. Starchy food becomes the very basic starchy food becomes your rice. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके खाने में राइस होना चाहिए. अगर हम हमारा बैलेंस डाइट बहुत ही बैलेंस रख सकते हैं, including all the type of proteins, all the type of vitamins and all the type of fats. Okay, हमें eliminate नहीं करना है कुछ, because body requires equal amount of fats, proteins and carbohydrate to process the body and to give an energy to the body. So it's important कि आपके food में carbohydrates हो. Then second becomes eat lots of fruits and vegetables. As always said कि वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट, जितने वेजिटेबल्स इंपॉर्टेंट है उतने फ्रूट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू आर नॉट ईटिंग प्रॉपरली, देन इट इज वेरी रिकमेंडेड कि यू शुड ईट सम फ्रूट्स, होल पूरे दिन में एटलीस्ट सम टाइम यू शुड ईट सम फ्रूट्स. एंड देन जो नॉनवेज पीपल, लाइक दोज हु प्रेफर ईटिंग नॉनवेज, they can eat more of fish, like because fish we get a more of proteins. And then they can also cut down on saturated fats and sugar. Now I want to talk about the saturated fat. Is that saturated fats is not good for health. Like it will help giving you more of unwanted fats, and it will it will ultimately increase your cholesterol level. So it's very important to exclude in your balanced diet. Like it's very important to exclude the unwanted or saturated fats in your balanced diet. And then comes try to eat less salt, or it is recommended that you should eat at least like not more than 6 gram of salt per day. Actually उससे भी हम कम ही खाते हैं, but 6 gram becomes the maximum limit of the salt. And then always eat well, exercise and hydrate yourself. Not with water, तो at least you should involve some juices in your meal. अगर आप पानी नहीं पी सकते हो तो please involve juices so that you keep your body hydrated all over the day. And very important is that don't skip the breakfast, because nowadays, due to this Western lifestyle and due to this more busy schedule, people tend to uh, skip their breakfast very often. So I'll recommend कि आप breakfast skip मत करो. Maybe you can eat more of breakfast and then eat some of your lunch and then dinner. But don't skip any of the meal, because it's very important to have all your meals on proper timings.
Right, right, right. So few basic stuff, okay, few misunderstandings which might have been there might have got resolved now. So few good things that you covered, Sudha. So first of all, you said okay, there is a difference between starving and diet. Okay, so this is one particular point. I'm sure that there are few people who are understanding it, but there are still a few people who miss their lunch or miss stating that okay, they are dieting. But now people with the enhancement of knowledge which is coming to and fro, but people might be adhering to it. But still, for the people who are not aware of it, सबसे पहले जो है starving is not dieting. So start eating, start consuming, but start consuming right. Okay, second basic thing which I understood from the communication, the discussion is that the thing which you highlighted about starch in rice. So again, the thing is that people, whenever they want to lose some weight, or most of the times, what they do is they try to completely overlook the fact of rice. They completely overlook the rice and they only go ahead with wheat and this type of stuff, chapatis. So what I understood here, what we understood here is that consuming rice in a specific quantity is also required because it brings along with it carbohydrates and starch, right? So that is another thing. Then uske baad jo hai importance of consuming juices and fluids. So as this is basic thing people that we can all do, okay. try to consume as much as fluids you can and as much as liquid you can in the entire day. In fact, we should consume how much liter of water should be consumed, Sudha?
At least minimum should be at least 2 liters of water minimum, and maximum it can goes to 5 to 6 liters per day.
So minimum 2 liters of water, people. Okay, I have seen people while working in offices, right? This is very important thing which I would like to say. When once a person sits on a desk, it's better if you have a bottle kept along with you. If you're not having that bottle, then you are messing up the situation. Most of the people, they come in, they log in, they sit, और एक बार बैठ गए तो फिर ओनली दे गेट अप ट्वाइस, एक बार लंच ब्रेक पर जाते हैं और एक बार वॉशरूम ब्रेक यहाँ वहाँ लूप में गए, दैट्स इट. But they don't consume water. So make a point here that the people who are doing is well and good, but there are many people who are not aware of it. So keep a bottle with you, keep a bottle of water with you. So minimum you have to consume is 2 liters. Maximum kitna kare utna chalega. So ensure that you
Also,
point this point
for
is with you.
this water thing, there are so many app that keeps reminding, when I find it very helpful. This water reminding application, it's very helpful actually. It keeps reminding you every, like you have to set the timings every, like how frequent it will boost, and then you can like depending on the time schedule you can drink water, because like it's understood that in middle of the work we just tend to forget the things that we want to drink, we want to eat. So you can use this application of drinking water. It's very amazing, I feel. At least it keep reminding you.
True, true, true. So the people, okay, who are permitted to carry their cell phones in offices, okay, only you can download this app and keep and make utilize this particular technology. And the people who are not allowed to carry the mobiles, don't carry your mobiles, or else you say that you are asked to take the mobile and download the app. तो वैसा मत करो, पंगा हो जाएगा, warning letter मिल जाएगा. So सही है, but make use of the technology, keep it downloaded with you, and make maximum use. People, things are moving and we should also move along with the time. Another thing is like salt ka consumption. Okay, more, this is like people are not aware of it. Okay, salt hua, sugar hua, people, they are not aware about how much they should consume. Few people say that okay, they like sweet food, and then lifelong वो लोग sweet ही खाते जाते हैं. And the side effects जो है, उसके drawbacks जो है, they are like just to next level. Just it is not banned because it is sugar. So उसके बाद जो है this salt consumption. So as these things are highlighted by Sudha, right, the more quickly we realize the importance of it, having sugar or salt in proper quantity, the better it is. So down the line jo hai, it also helps you, and it also constitutes the balanced diet. So this is what it is. Anything I missed, Sudha, from what you said? It was really great. I thought of repeating it because voice was going a bit high and low in between. So I thought of just repeating it so that it helps better. Anything I missed?
No, as of now, no.
सही है, सही है, सही है. चलो, we'll proceed. So what else, Sudha? What else? Okay. So be now the basic tips. Okay. So what we have learned now, you start people. Okay, who all are watching us now live, or who all are. We will be sharing this particular video in different platforms the way we do. Okay. So whenever you get a chance to this particular video, try to make this basic change in your life. All that you have learned in this particular webinar till now, try to cautiously implement those particular things. ठीक है. For example, sugar intake है, salt intake है,
Fluids.
fluids है intake regular basis पे. फिर उसके बाद में not missing breakfast, that was another important thing. People, like, they miss their breakfast office के time पे, they just rush in, and with the influence of the culture, new things which are coming in, people, they go ahead with burgers, pizzas, they run here and there, they just pick up something on the way, they grab it, they stuff themselves with it. That's not the way, people. Okay, so up tak jitna bhi you have seen, you have heard in this particular video, start applying these things in your life, and that itself will make a change in the long run. But you have to cautiously do it. कई बार होता क्या है, we try to do things, but एक दिन होता है, 2 दिन होता है, 3 दिन होता है, वो भी करने पर होता है, या फिर उसके बाद वो भी slowly it goes down. Okay, so cautiously karo, and that would be the best thing about what we have just told. सही है सुधा. So what next, Sudha? What next? Breakfast में कुछ anything specific like bananas or spinach or leafy vegetables, something like that you would like to cover?
Yeah, actually, there are types of diet that I want to talk about, and also um, I want to talk about the micronutrients and macronutrients that are required in the body, and then I'll go ahead talking about the types of diet and also other topics. So the very basic, it's very basic actually, micronutrients and macronutrients. But I just want like because like via this webinar, I want to know, like I want to let all the people what are micronutrients and macronutrients. People know what are vitamins and what are minerals, but they exactly don't know in how much amount uh, those vitamins and minerals we need in our body. And ये vitamins and minerals micronutrients है या macronutrients है, ऐसे बहुत सारे superstitions हो जाते हैं फिर लोगों को कि इतना नहीं चाहिए उतना नहीं चाहिए. तो I guess the webinar के through I can clear the doubts कि what are micronutrients and what are macronutrients as we are talking about the diet and balanced diet. So this is a very important topic that I want to cover. So there are two
तो
types
सुधा,
of
ये माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स, राइट? अब इसको माइक्रो बोलते हो ऑब्जर्विंग समथिंग फ्रॉम अ माइक्रोस्कोपिक क्लोज में, एंड मैक्रो उसको बोलते हो भाई बड़ा व्यू लेके. सो हाउ डू वी एक्सप्लेन दिस माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ ले लैंग्वेज? बोलते सादा, अगर इफ यू एंड मी और कोई भी बंदा बात करे तो उसको माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स में और मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स में फर्क कैसे समझाए, उसमें डिफरेंस
ऐसे
कैसे समझाए?
होता है अगर हम जैसे माइक्रो माइक्रो मतलब ही होता है बहुत माइन्यूट या बहुत छोटा माइक्रो. जैसे हम अगर इसको लिंक करना है इन लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज देन वी कैन लिंक इट विद अ माइक्रोस्कोप. माइक्रोस्कोप से हम सभी चीजें नहीं देखते. वी कैन ओनली सी द पर्टिकुलर थिंग which are not visible by our naked eyes.
Macronutrients कैसा रहेगा, and macronutrients, how do we look at that as?
माइक्रो इज द इन वेरी लेस अमाउंट. और माइक्रो मतलब ही होता है बहुत छोटा या बहुत कम, और मैक्रो मतलब होता है इन लार्ज अमाउंट और बड़ा. So we can link that way. Micro बहुत छोटा, macro बड़ा, ऐसे
सही है,
in
सही है.
layman's language.
सही है. So we got it. Okay, माइक्रो बोल तो if we very minutely start analyzing कि भाई कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट किधर एकदम एकदम स्पेसिफिकली, तो वो माइक्रो हो जाता. एंड मैक्रो बोले तो एक ओवरव्यू से इफ वी नो अबाउट कहाँ पर कहा जाए तो इट्स लाइक मैक्रो. ठीक है, ग्रेट सुधा, वी कैन प्रोसीड.
There are micronutrients and macronutrients. तो micro is very minute, मतलब ऐसे nutrients those are required in the body in very small quantities. That is why it is called as micronutrients. And the macronutrients is that the particular things that are required in much quantity or more quantity. So in micronutrients, there are minerals, several types of minerals that are required in the body, in the normal human body. And the micronutrients becomes our vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, etc. So this is the way where the diet people segregate between micronutrients and macronutrients. ये हमारे layman language में it's become very, it's all mixed, carbohydrate, sugar, vitamin, mineral. बोलते बोलते भी हम साथ में बोल देते हैं अरे carbohydrates कम है, minerals कम है, vitamins कम है, but both are the different. Some are micro and some are macro. So it's very big
सही है,
difference between
सही है,
micro and
सही है,
macro.
सही है, सही है, सही है. इट क्लियर द डाउट, इट क्लियर द डाउट. तो ऐसा है ये. ठीक है सुधा, so उसमें बताओ.
और एक्चुअली कैसे होता है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन वेट एंड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एज ग्रुप the requirement of all the nutrients in our body differ. So I cannot just average, like I cannot take an average and say कि इतना amount of body में required है, because person to person an average मतलब weight to the age both are different, like varies for various age group and for various weight group. तो सबका requirement are different. So I just cannot randomly take an average and say कि इन लोगों में इतना amount of nutrients या इतना amount of vitamins या इतना amount of minerals होना चाहिए, because I just cannot take an average and say, because it differs from age group to weight, it differs.
ट्रू. So whole point is that अपन मिक्स करके we have proper things. सब खाओ, फ्रूट्स खाओ, सीरियल्स खाओ, a bit of rice as well, starch भी लो, everything लो, and accordingly overall ये सब चीजें जो है, carrot and spinach and all these things, and this would help in contributing the balanced diet. उसमें macro and macro दोनों के दोनों cover हो जाएंगे. सही है ना?
Yes.
सही है.
So now I'll go ahead talking about the types of diet that are there. So I would like to have made some Word document on it. Like I would like to share.
ठीक है, चलो. That is something interesting. Okay, you have put in a lot of efforts to that actually, and the value this which this session is particularly adding, na. So I'm sure that the efforts and the knowledge which is being shared, if it is consumed and properly utilized by the people, then सही हो जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो.
Okay. So actually I cannot share the screen because it's coming that host disable participant screen sharing.
Is it? Just give me a sec, okay?
Yeah, so I can
ठीक है. See, I just gave you the access. Can you do it now?
yes, now I can.
ठीक है. It's happening. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. So this particular presentation or what that we are going to talk about, here we go. Yeah, it will speak on
Yeah,
its own.
it's the
ठीक है,
another
सुभाष,
one.
चलो.
I've made 2, 3 documents. Yeah, here we go. So can you see my screen? Should I make it
Yes, yes,
just 1 second?
it's visible. I can see it and I can read it.
Yeah. So there are altogether 10 or 9 types of diets that I have made. I'm not going much detail into it, but I'll just give a general idea what exactly it is. So the
Okay.
very first is that paleo diet. It is linked with the Paleolithic age earlier that I have read in history. So the paleo diet is just that it includes your whole foods like earlier in those age where there was no proper agricultural production and at those use like at those time we used to rely on different seeds and vegetables and raw materials. So this paleo diet include this paleo diet emphasizes whole food, lean protein and vegetable, fruits, nuts and seeds. Okay. So इसमें जितने भी प्रोसेस फूड्स होते हैं एंड डेयरी एंड ग्रेन्स it eliminates this. The paleo diet eliminates all the type of processed foods that we are using now. So paleo diet is basically previously that our ancestor used to do. They're eating the raw materials and seeds and fruits. So this diet includes this type of foods in it. Then comes the vegan diet. Vegan diet is very trending nowadays. I've seen so many research papers and the statistics that I've seen. Vegan diet is going very. It's very trending nowadays. Every second person becoming vegan nowadays. So actually, the whole idea about vegan diet is that it eliminates the dairy product and it eliminates the product that are animal derived. For example, honey and your milk and milk product like cheese, butter, etc. Am I going too fast? Hello, can you hear me? I guess there's something network problem. There's some network problem with me.
There is some disturbance actually. There is a network or connectivity issue, I guess.
Can you
The
hear me now?
internet connection is somewhat. Yeah, it's better. ठीक है.
Yeah. Then there's the third comes is a low carb diet. Low carb diet is including low carbohydrate in your diet, and then it says that there are several type of low carb diet, but all involve limiting carbohydrates intake to 20 to 150 grams per day. Actually, low carb diet कैसे होता है कि आपको कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आपके फूड से कम करना है, एंड दैट होल डे इट शुड बी ओनली लिमिट टू 20 to 150 grams per day. So अगर carbohydrates कम रहेगा, and if you are including carbohydrates in your diet, so it should be low and more of proteins and less of fats again. Then comes the Dukan diet, and Dukan diet says that is a high protein and low carb weight loss diet, and it is split into four phases. And the two phases become the first two phases become the weight loss phases, and whereas the other two phases become the maintenance phases. So here it says that the weight loss phases are primarily based on eating unlimited high protein foods and mandatory plan. So Dukan diet mein basically it focuses on having much of protein in your diet. Okay. And then because of more of protein, आपका carbohydrates any which way कम हो जाता है. And then also you should in the second phase there's include of some non-starchy vegetables. Is my network proper? Am I audible? Because I'm facing some issues here.
It's breaking in between, but it's fine. You can proceed. Yeah, it's fine. You can proceed.
Okay, I'm so sorry for this disturbance.
No issues. You can proceed, Sudarshan.
And then the fifth become the ultra low fat diet. It says that it not will eliminate your fat, but then you should take some of fats, but very low fat in your diet, and it include only 10% of daily calories. So ultra low fats become less of fats in your diet. And then if I go on talking, if I go on talking more in detail, it will take so much of time, and that's why I'm just giving the general idea about how many type of diets are, so that in the next session we can go talking in detail what type of foods and what type of exactly diets we can take. So the next becomes the Atkins diet, and again it is low carb diet, and it says that its proponents insist that you can lose weight by eating as much of protein and fat as you like, but you have to avoid the carbohydrates. Like you can take much of protein and much of fats, you have to avoid the carbohydrates in that. And then comes the HCG diet. HCG diet, it's not recommended to all actually, because it's kind of supplementations. So it says that its full form is human chronic gonadotrophin. It's sort of hormones in the body. So it is split into the three phases. The diet is split into the three phases. In the first phase, you begin taking HCG supplements. So here it involves taking the supplements, and that is the reason it's not recommended to all. So during this, the first stage become the supplementation, and then the second stage becomes involving low calorie diet, and whereas the third says that the weight loss phase is prescribed for 3 to 6 weeks a time. It's very difficult actually, because that is why it's not recommended much, because it involves the supplementation, as I said. So I'm not talking much detail into it. And then comes the zone diet. The zone diet is mostly recommended to the people who are suffering from diabetes. So because it involves the food that are less in glycemic index. So glycemic index basically is that it is the glycemic index is कि जो भी फूड प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उनमें जो शुगर होता है, वो शुगर यूज होने में जितना ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, अगर ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा तो बॉडी में शुगर का जो ग्लूकोज लेवल है वो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा एब्जॉर्ब होने में. सो इट्स गुड फॉर द डायबिटीज पीपल. अगर शुगर जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब हो गया तो शुगर जो लेवल होता है वो जल्दी से रेज होता है. सो इट्स नॉट इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर द पीपल हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम डायबिटीज. That is why it is said that those who are suffering from diabetes should always take the foods that are less in or low in glycemic index. And then intermittent fasting is the very common type of diet that we see. इसमें कैसे होता है ये intermittent fasting diet में you eat more and more and then you tend your body to fast. मतलब आप खाते हो एंड देन आप कंप्लीट फास्टिंग पे हो जाते हो. सो इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ इट इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग में भी बहुत सारे टाइप की फास्टिंग्स है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने ब्रेकफास्ट किया तो यू स्किप लंच एंड डिनर. ऐसे बहुत सारे टाइप के इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग के डाइट्स है एक्चुअली. बट ये इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग काफी लोग इट्स वेरी ट्रेंडिंग लाइक vegan is. Then comes a detox diet, and detox diet says that are generally short-term dietary interventions designed to eliminate toxic substance from your body. So जिनको लगता है कि मेरे बॉडी में बहुत सारा टॉक्सिक है, so these people go on having this detox diets, and it's very it's sort of Western lifestyle diets, I can say. So these are the different types of diets that I've worked on, that
So
I've made.
yeah. So okay, it's like sharing the secrets. That is what I can say. Okay, uh, if we talk about like these type of details, right? I don't know many people are aware of it, but it gives a vision that okay, if we talk about dieting, there is something, some basic concept that if as a person, if you are normally eating, you try to consume a mix and match of all the food that would help you in getting the balance that. But over and above that, if you are like planning for anything specific, maybe gymming or maybe trying to lose your weight, or maybe if you want to detoxify yourself, then if you are like at a particular age group, or what was that, there was one more thing, right? So it differs. Okay, there are different diets planned for that as well, and that is the time wherein you can approach a proper expert, and it would be helpful for you. But overall the thing is, consume, as Sudha said in first half, or first uh, first half of the session and starting, and more than half in fact, start following that right away, and that would be very helpful. And detox ka jo hai, that thing is also required. So meanwhile, if you start consuming the detox jo food karte hai, like tea, and this green tea is also part of that, right? Green tea and all these things, like what we say apricot, it is also something related to that. So these things, if we have on regular basis, beach mein, if we plan it, that would also be better. So maybe down the line, we would go ahead and pinpoint one of those or a few of those particular types of diets as well. तो वो भी हेल्पफुल रहेगा, so that if person is really trying to do diet to become lean or something like that, what type of diet should he or she follow, or related specific stuff, detoxification exactly kya hai, and why is there a need to do detoxification regularly, जो how to like it's like oiling the body, पूरा toxic से वो जो है निकाल के, वो we will try to cover that thing as well. So thanks for setting the tone, Sudha. Okay, you have really made it very good, and the knowledge which is shared is really amazing, Sudha. So anything else, Sudha, that you would like to say or something like that?
Yes, actually, I would like to say one thing is that don't go on choosing, as there are so many different types of diets available on Google, available on all the social medias. But you just decide how much weight you want to lose, and depend on your body, depend on your metabolism. You can choose the diets. For example, I'll just go on giving a very basic general diet plan. Actually, diet plan होता कैसे है? We just take out first we just calculate the BMI. BMI calculate करने के बाद हमें total number of kilo calories पता चलते हैं. And then we get the total number of kilocalories, and then we divide it into carbohydrates, fats and protein. तो अगर जिनको weight lose करना है तो we go on planning the diet according to that. जिनको increase करना है, so it depends on that कि आपको increase करना है या weight lose करना है. And also there are different types of diets available. तो आप ऐसे मत सोच के जाओ कि ये इनमें से कौन सा अच्छा डाइट है, कौन सा बेस्ट डाइट है, मैं वो डाइट करूंगी. नो, डोंट थिंक दैट. आपके बॉडी के लिए कौन सा डाइट अच्छा है वो आप सोचो, क्योंकि सबके डिसएडवांटेजेस है, सबके एडवांटेजेस है. एक्चुअली अपनी बॉडी को खुद से ज्यादा, मतलब अपने मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट को या अपने बॉडी के डाइजेशन को खुद से ज्यादा कोई किसी को नहीं जान सकता. सो इफ यू नो कि मुझे ये चीज से एलर्जी है, तो यू डोंट टेक इट. You can take the substitute of it. For example, अगर किसी को milk से problem है, don't include milk in your diet. Include any liquid in that. Maybe you can go ahead using juices, or there are made soy milk भी काफी trending है, so you can use that as well. So जो trending है या फिर कितने type का कौन सा best diet है, don't go depending on that. जो आपके body के लिए better है, just go ahead with that. So you can use like जिनका बहुत ज़्यादा busy schedule है morning में, तो और जिनको डाइट फॉलो करना है, जिनको वेट लूज करना है, तो व्हाट दे कैन डू इज दैट कि मॉर्निंग में जो भी हमारे मतलब जो भी ग्राउंड नट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, मैं जस्ट एक सीरियल एक नॉर्मल एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ जो नॉर्मली एवरीबॉडी कैन फॉलो. मॉर्निंग में यू कैन जस्ट हैव जो those who are vegetarian, they can include milk in their meal in the breakfast, and some pulses, and they can make something using legumes. ऐसे थोड़ा पानी में रात को भिगा के रखा, and they can use some amount of salt in it and make a quick recipe, and they can use it in the breakfast. And जो नॉन वेजिटेरियंस है, they can include banana or egg and milk in the breakfast meal. And then आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा ब्रेकफास्ट करो, ओके, बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी रात भर स्टार्व की हुई होती है, so you need more and more of breakfast, and then a little amount of lunch में if you don't want to eat or like if you don't want to include rice in your meal, then you can go ahead adding some more amount of rotis or chapatis in the lunch, chapatis and bhajis. And then आप उसमें कर्ड या फिर योगर्ट भी खा सकते हो, बिकॉज अगेन कर्ड एंड योगर्ट आपके इम्यून सिस्टम के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. And then meal and then snacking के लिए you can eat again juice or banana or any fruits that you want to eat. And then by night, avoid eating rice in a night because it's not recommended. क्योंकि रात में आपकी body it's not exercising, your body is very at a rest. At night your body is at rest, it's not working, so it's not recommended to use to eat this
Right.
rice in the meal. So you can just add some chapatis and bhaji. This is a quick recipe, and you can also make very quick recipes. बहुत सारे quick recipes होते हैं, healthy salads होते हैं जिसमें आप कुछ मतलब ब्रोकली वगैरह ऐड करके, some sauce ऐड करके, salt ऐड करके आप खा सकते हो if you don't want to eat any roti or bhaji. So there are so many recipes on the internet actually.
So yeah, so people, okay, so yeah, it is a real big value. So last mein jo tha, the things which Sudha shared, probably you can just look at that as well. But the whole thing is that include the diet which is there, which can be there in your life, and make your life change for good. And that would be helpful for you at the current stage as well. And if you start doing sooner, then you will find the effects in the long run as well, rather than doctor saying, going ahead to doctor and doctor saying that अरे ये मत खाओ ऐसा मत करो. Do it at as and when you have the time in your hand, or वैसा करने से then the real difference will be there. You may find it tough to do to start with, but as soon as you see that you are finding it tough, cautious, make cautious decisions, and try to repeat the same thing regularly, okay? So that is one particular thing, and it would happen something, and things would change, and it would be good in long run as well. It would be healthy body and healthy mind, and everything would be healthy. Yes.
Also, one thing I would like to add is that कि आप पूरे दिन जो खाते हो, आप वो खा के भी डाइट कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप जो लंच में बहुत, अगर इफ यू आर वेरी फूडी, इफ यू कैन नॉट do the diets or you want to do the diet but you cannot do it, so you just divide your meals थोड़ा gap timing में. For example, if you're starting your breakfast say by 9 o'clock, then eat some amount of breakfast and then wait for 1 or 2 hours and then eat. So इससे मतलब use less, मतलब ज्यादा amount मत रखो breakfast का. तो you can this way also frequent timings में, मतलब थोड़ा time gap रख के भी you can do the diets. वैसे इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड कि नहीं अब डाइट कर रहे हो तो सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट सुबह खा लिया और फिर गैप देके डायरेक्टली या डिनर किया, ऐसे नहीं। आप टाइम गैप के बीच में भी यू कैन ईट योर मील्स इन small
सही है।
quantities, you can say, and eating more on in taking more on more fruits and juices, it will help a lot losing your weight.
सही है। So this was a power pack session actually. और कुछ है सुधा क्या? This was the value that you wanted to add today because it is like हाँ सही है because we covered so many things. Few were
I would
really
like to
very
say that
new.
include bananas. Banana is very, it's really very like वो fibrous है थोड़ा, तो वो थोड़ा बल्कि जो हमें खाने के बाद ऐसे ना आज पेट भर गया, so that boost will give, that thing will come with the banana, like if you eat banana.
And banana cake it has very good it also has medicinal properties. That is what I am aware of. और वो कच्चा बनाना खाए तो it's altogether different and it can be used for some treatments and cure, but not now. Maybe down the line उसके बारे में भी कुछ बात करेंगे. But banana as of now consume it daily, the normal banana, and it also has its own values. सही है सही है. Okay, so we will wrap up Sudha.
Yes,
सही है.
almost.
Thanks for giving time, Siddha. Thanks for giving time. This really session is, I think that it will help many people. But as I keep saying, in order to derive benefit out of something, it's not just hearing it and logging it off. It's about hearing it and then implementing it. That is what the change. That is how the change happens. Okay. Nowadays we all live in an age wherein it's like everything is on internet, we communicate, you listen, that these things are very like we can talk, you can listen, but until unless you bring it into practice, then till then the change will not happen. So on this particular note, people, I want you to apply all the learnings that we keep sharing with you on the platform that we have, related to this topic, related to any other topics which are covered till now. Whatever it is, you need to practice, you need to apply. That is how the change will come to you. Whatever it is, apply it, and this particular video will also be shared in a platform in the query sheet. Once that is done, if you have any queries about that, if you want something to get replied from the experts, Sudha, then we will work on that and we'll try to get you the response on that. So on this particular note, we will be signing off. Okay, I gave access to you, Sudha. Can you just send it back to me?
Yeah, how do I do that?
There are some 3 pointers on the top right. Just click on that and you can do
It
it.
says stop live stream. It says,
Stop it then. Chalo, all right.
okay.
So thank you, people. Thanks for giving us time. Hope it was a good session.
Thank
Stop
you
it,
so
Siddharth. Chalo,
much.
great.